Hello and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be showing you how to fit a Ktr Induction Kit to a Megane 3Rs. Now the kit comes with this heat shield, the Ktr induction filter, as well as the locating lug and bolts included. Right, so first of all we've got to actually find our way to the air filter. So to do that we need to remove all the plastic surrounding the battery and the battery tray, including the front air feed. Next, disconnect the battery via the earth so you don't get any unintended sparks while you're working around the bay. Next thing's the actual removal of the battery itself. So once both terminals are disconnected, you can remove the top clamp. And remember to remove the battery very delicately. Right, and we still need to find our way towards the air filter. So next you need to disconnect the ECU from the battery tray and unbolt the tray via these 13 mils. And you can lift the entire tray up in one go. And now we can finally actually get to the air filter. So you can undo the Jubilee clip here that connects it to the engine inlet and undo the 10mm holding it to the chassis. And then you should be able to remove the air duct from the bottom of the original air filter, which then gives you access to remove the entire filter in one piece. Now you can install the Ktr heat shield for the induction kit. Places directly where the original air filter was. And next you can actually put in the Ktr induction filter with the elbow pipe. It slots directly into the original inlet rubber pipe just there. Next thing is to grab your locating lug and insert it through this part of the heat shield into the locating hole behind. And then you can clamp both these brackets with a 10mm at the same point of the chassis that we undid it from earlier. Don't forget to support the air filter with another bolt on this bracket as well, and do up all the Jubilee clips so nothing pops off when you don't want it to. Now that's all installed, all it is just a reversal of how you took everything out. So that includes the duct underneath the battery tray itself, and the ECU. Once that's all bolted in, delicately place the battery back in the tray, and once everything's clamped in and tight, you can connect the battery with the live first and the earth last. Then make sure you put in all the plastic trims around the battery tray, including the top duct, and you're good to go. And there we have it. One induction kit fitted to a Megane 3Rs, simple as that. But obviously if you do have any issues or questions regarding the install, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email.